Hello and welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be unboxing stuff that has batteries and is my new microphone sets. We're going to unseal the deal like it says. Whoa! I have a new wireless lavalier microphone. This one has plug and play, precise radio, even though that's a speaker, 20 meters of accessible reception, clear timbre, highly sensitive and widely compatible. This one is the wireless. This one is a 2-pack USB-C mini wireless lavalier microphone for iPhone. This one doesn't say anything. 4 Type C, 1 to 1, 1 to 2. This one also says Type C, 1 to 2. Live show, interview, vlog, short video. This one says the same thing. Just throw it on a sticker. This one, plug and play, 20 meter radio. This one is lapel mics with lightning plug and play. And they all say the same. So, nothing else in there. Off you go. So these two are the same, and this one is different. Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. So we're going to open this. Hopefully this came in a case. Ooh. Look at this. It's like a jewelry box. Oh, this has no fancy box like my Cyan Tune. My Cyan Tune was good, but for those that don't know, this one causes different problems than the other one. So for some reason, I have to not use this one and use the other microphone, so it's only one sound instead of stereo. I've been very busy the last little while. I've had a little bit of vacation and fixing up the garden and getting stuff ordered. But you're not here for my life story. You've come to see videos. It has Windows 10 or 8 or 8.1 or 11. Could you imagine Windows 11 on this thing? But I like this case because it has a light on it. This is my USB-C cable. Those are my clips to the USB-C, I guess. Hey, look, this even has cushions. And you just slide this on. That's a unfitting way to do this. Oh, I even got smaller buds for it too. Let's see. Let's see. Pop this off. Whoa, fancy. Now I can't get it on. This is our lightning. Guess these are extra clips in case if you lose them. Wireless microphone. Installation. Translation insertion. Wow, that's awesome. You can rotate freely. Okay, so that's just into the microphone itself. That's not the product smart wireless microphone. No app required. Multiple uses. Blah blah blah. Microphone transmitter, and that's the receiver. So this is the windproof net, microphone indicator, microphone charging port, microphone clip, and switch key. Port to connect phone, receiver indicator, type C port of receiver. Note, Oppo, Viva, Iku, Realm brand mobile phones can be used normally only when they go to the settings, search on the go, turn on the go power supply. Press the switch key of microphone, the indicator light turns green, and then the power is turned on. This is how to pair it. Paired green light stays on. Low battery alarm, power on state, red and green lights come on every 10 seconds. Light flashes slowly. Reverb, press the start button 2 times continuously to enter reverb mode. The indicator light always stays on. So, okay, so there's our little start button. Push and hold. If it turns on, Probably not because it needs charging. What we're gonna do is we're gonna charge this. Okay, so there's charging. Now, hopefully this doesn't fry out like my old battery. Oh, well, look at that. The battery exploded. Well then, did not see that coming. Yeah, that, what they call a spicy pillow. So my verdict on the headphones is this might have just been a fluke. 10 out of 10, not recommended. For my mic headphones. So this won't turn on yet because that probably needs to charge. Then we're going to charge the other one. Hey, okay, so we got both of them charging. And that's it. Get in there. Okay. Na 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 square tube. So since this one has no USB-C port, we're gonna have to use. It won't fit because needs to. Okay. Let's see. I have to get my phone out of here now. Okay, accessory connected. Unlock iPhone. Okay, so we're just gonna do a camera here. Now this isn't showing any light. Oh, there it is. Okay, so there's the indicator light on it. That's all blinky blinky. Let's see if it works upside down. Yep, it works upside down. Okay, so right now, okay, so we'll wait for that to charge. So we'll just leave that here. Okay, so I just disconnect this. Then let's see if it turns on. Oh, there it is. Then it should be oh, it's connected. This one will turn on. Oh, we got this one connected. Now let's see how this goes. So the first one, this is testing on 123, the new microphone for the iPhone 16 Pro Max. This is the second microphone testing 123 4 5 6 on the iPhone Pro Max. Let's see how this goes. So first one, this is testing on 123, the new microphone for the iPhone 16 Pro Max. This is the second microphone testing 123 4 5 6 on the iPhone Pro Max. Now let's see if it recorded it. First one. This is testing on 123, the new microphone for the iPhone 16 Pro Max. This is the second microphone testing 123 4 5 6 on the iPhone Pro Max. I wonder, does recording both of these microphones affect the same quality? Does recording on both of these microphones affect the sound quality with the reverb? Does recording both of these microphones affect the same quality? Does recording on both of these microphones affect the sound quality with the reverb? Does recording both of these microphones affect the same quality? Does recording on both of these microphones affect the sound quality with the reverb? Well, so these work, and they still got that buzzing, but I don't know if that's because of me or some other problem. Maybe my other microphone over here doesn't have that problem and it's just being silly. Now, the next one, we're going to open up. This one says Type C. This one is for iPhone. Oh, I guess I should have opened this one up. And this one will probably open the same way. And it's the same thing. Okay, so it looks the same, and it needs to be charged, so I'll have to wait for that. We're gonna try. We're not gonna plug in. No. Okay, so we'll let this charge for a few minutes. Okay, so these ones are now charging. Sure. Give me my transmitter. Okay. So now this is on the Right now, you're hearing me record on the Tune microphone. Now you're hearing me record on the iPhone. Okay, shits and giggles, but these USB Lightning, the one for the Lightning iPhone, works for the iPhone USB-C because these are still for charging into their holder. So technically, if I unplug this and put them on, both are stable. Both are on and both are stable. And right now, both of these are from the other one, and I'm going to have to let these ones charge a little bit longer. I forgot. I still had this connected to my other phone. You know what? Never mind. So I think I only got two the whole time. Oh, I'm only allowed two. So I turned this one off and this one connected to the phone I'm using now. So I'm only allowed two of them at a time. But it looks like this one might be bonked out. Now we're going to open this one since I got one of them recording over there, and I'm going to keep the other one down here. Okay, this one is also for Type C. And again, it opens the same way. Oh, these are furry. And oh, this one almost looks like my Cyan 2 microphone. See that? Only this one's got more functions. Well, that's my Cyan Tune one. This is the new furry microphone. And it even has other extra tips. This one has USB-C charging. I want all the tips. This one works for the computer. This is the iPhone USB-C for the lightning port. Oh, there it is. That's my USB-C. Then you plug that in. Get your lightning. Then that's where you charge it. Oh, okay. Now, I had these charging for a minute. I got one working. One doesn't look like it wants to work. I hear freezing rain outside my window. So now I got three microphones that all work together. I wonder if I turn this one on. So this one's not connected, so it's not connecting there. However, since we figured that out, and it was just me being silly again, which is normal in my line of work, let's see if we can actually get this going. So, connected, both of them, yeah, of course you want me to unlock it. Okay, so one microphone's connected, because it is, this one furry is on. Okay, there, I turned off reverb. Let's turn this one on. Okay. Nope, I don't want reverb. So there's my battery, there's my mute button. Both are linked. Now let's just try recording again. This is the new multi-USB-C Lightning microphone that has furballs for the tips. And this is being tested on the iPhone 16 Pro Max with USB-C. This is the new multi-USB-C Lightning microphone that has furballs for the tips. And this is being tested on the iPhone 16 Pro Max with USB-C. And now we'll play this video. This is the new USB-C Lightning phone that has furball tips. And this is being tested on the iPhone 16 Pro Max with USB-C. I say that sounded pretty good. Oh, where did that come from? Oh, I know. Oh, sounds like this one sounds better. Do these two microphones sound better going in different directions than the other ones? If these go in different directions, will they work? Do these two microphones sound better going in different directions than the other ones? If these go in different directions, will they work? So we've tested that. Now we're going to test it on lightning. Okay, so we're going to plug this in here. Now you're hearing it through the iPhone. This is the iPhone 14 Pro Max with the right connector and adapter. Based on the 3 overall microphones, since I can't tell the other 2 until I edit the video, the fur balls, both of these fur balls actually sound better than the other 3 microphones I got. Because if the Cyan Tune couldn't do its job, then that means these ones were the upgrade, and this was for $16.99. These were $9.99. This one was for $9.99. If anything, these were $30. They were meh because not only I thought my video editor was having an issue playing the video because I thought my computer was slow or too slow for it, it decided, yep. One person commented, I thank you for that, by the way, especially after my MTech laptop fiasco that I still have to redo the entire video and had to truncate it massively because of the audio hum was just unbearable when I swapped the microphones. Cyan Tune, we might have had a good run, but I think we got a new winner. We got furballs. These ones would have to come in a close second. Is this one charging? No, I think this one came DOA. You know what? For $10, I can't complain. I guess it would be DOA anyway. So this is Type C. For the one for the iPhone. There it is. And this is for if I have to hook it up to a laptop and I record audio. So the furballs look like they win in first round completion. So I'm looking forward to getting more content done through these. Is first, this one, it was good until this one started. That's done. I'm done with that. These ones all look like, I guess they suffer the same buzzing problem as this. Hopefully these two hold up and they work out well. This one is the lightning. This is USB-C, but I wonder if this will work regardless. So now I've unplugged it. Well, that's why that wasn't blinking when I did it. Let's see if I can turn these things on. That one doesn't want to turn on. This one's somewhat dying. That one's somewhat dying. Okay, so the USB-C adapter for the other two actually does work for this one. Hopefully that is correct. The microphone is up here. And I think it's dead. Yeah, okay, so I can only allow... So all 4 of these would work if this one would turn on, but it looks like this one doesn't want to turn on. Okay. This one's still the winner. And as bonus, this adapter works for both of these, which is great. Okay, thank you again. Have a good night.